Hi, Fanny again from MeritSun Power. Today I want to talk about how our MeritSun Powerwall to reduce your household electricity cost by 90%. So what exactly is the Powerwall? To be precise, it's not only an emergency power supply device, it's a household energy station, house batteries. Just like your mobile phone is powered by a batteries, you can also install a battery in the house you live in. And the Powerwall can pre-store part of your electricity energy when the electricity bills is lower, and then use it for the time when the electricity bills is higher. And can save most part of your electricity bill. Okay, imagine you live in a 4-bedroom house with many appliances. In the previous years, your electricity cost is reached $1,800 per year. However, a year ago when you install our MeritSun Smart and Green Solar Energy Storage, 10 kWh power batteries, and connected with the 5 kW solar panels and hybrid inverters, and this year your electricity costs are reduced to only $180. And this story is come from one of our Australian customers. He told me buying the electricity from the utilities is 25 cents kWh, and his family's daily consumption is around 20 kWh. This means he had to pay $1,800 of the electricity cost for a year. And after he installed our MeritSun 10 kWh power batteries at home for the first years, he saved 90% of his annual electricity cost, and his quarterly electricity bills is dropped from $450 in 2019 to only $45 in 2020. And the excess energies of the grid can be restored to the grid. He even made $50 in one quarter. So it's only 49 cents can providing daily electricity for the homes. And normal use equipment such like the air conditioners, lights, and electrical appliance is really nice. You can use the solar system to give priority to the electricity need by the house. Then charge the battery to power the house load at night or for power outage backup, and then output the excess electricity to the grid. And our power is designed more than 6,000 cycles. That means even you use it every day, you can use it for more than 20 years. That's really lifetime's free energy you can rely on. And it can save you a huge amount of electricity bills for many years. So install our power batteries. You don't have to worry about the power outage, and you can enjoy the free energy every day. Also, you can free monitoring your energy usage and save your electricity bill. Think about this. Living in a sunshine place, enjoy a free green energy, and make a contribution to protecting the environment for our children. MeritSun Powerwall, the best power in the sun.